Is everyone ready for their first professional act of the show? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the amazing Cat Wrangler Ronnie. Now, Ronnie, I see you've got a couple of large burlap sacks with you today. Sure do. And can you tell our audience just what's in those large, clever sacks of yours? Well, cats, of course. Of course. Now, I see you've also brought a lot of equipment out here to the show today. You've got seesaws and tight ropes and what looks like a hula hoop soaked in gasoline. Tell us all, just what are you planning to do with these cats, Ronnie? Oh, these aren't just any old cats. These are my prized possessions. That's a cat joke, okay? These phenomenal felines have been trained to respond to the sound of my whistle, and my whistle alone. Once these cats have been unleashed on the sound of my command, these feline facilitators will snap into position and proceed to carry out a most impressive display of agility, flexibility, nimbility, and death-defying acts of all things feline curiosity. Well, what do you think of that, folks? Okay, Ronnie, we are igniting the hoops of fire as we speak. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Okay, Ronnie, unleash the cats. Whiskers, mittens, no, not mittens. Come on, Snowball. Daddy needs you to be his alpha cat today. They've been in the sack for too long.
All lines are busy. Please hold.